Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, Daily Stock Analysis, a powerful system that uses large language models to act as your personal stock market analyst. It automates the complex task of tracking markets by pulling in real-time news and data to generate an intelligent decision dashboard, all designed to run at zero cost. What if you could have a personal stock analyst? One that covers global markets, works around the clock, and costs absolutely nothing to operate. This isn't just a hypothetical question. A trending open source project has made it a reality, turning a powerful AI-driven system into a completely free, automated service for individual investors. The project is called Daily Stock Analysis, created by developer ZhuLinsen. At its core, it's a system powered by a large language model designed to analyze stocks across Chinese, Hong Kong, and US markets. It automatically collects data and then presents it in a concise decision dashboard. And the project's popularity is exploding. It has already amassed over 21,000 stars on GitHub, with more than 800 of those added in just a single day. This kind of rapid growth shows just how much interest there is from both the developer and investor communities. For any individual investor, the daily routine is a grind. You're constantly gathering market data, reading financial news, and trying to analyze charts. It's a huge time commitment. The information is scattered everywhere, and turning all that noise into actionable insights is incredibly challenging. In the past, a developer might have written a simple script to scrape some data, but those scripts couldn't provide any real analysis. What makes this project so different is its use of a large language model. It doesn't just gather data, it actually interprets it. The system generates a decision dashboard complete with core conclusions, buy or sell suggestions, and even a trading checklist. It effectively automates the entire analytical workflow from start to finish. So, how does it all work? The project's design philosophy is built around a serverless-first architecture. It cleverly uses GitHub Actions as a free, scheduled environment to run its tasks. This is the real secret behind its zero-cost operation. A key technical decision was the use of the Light LLM framework. The best way to think of Light LLM is as a universal adapter for AI models. It allows the system to switch between different providers like Gemini, OpenAI, or Claude without having to change the core code. This ensures both flexibility and resilience. Another advanced feature is its agent framework. Now, this isn't just a simple question and answer bot. The AI agent can actually plan and execute multi-step tasks. It uses tools to fetch live data or calculate financial indicators to answer complex questions. It acts more like a research assistant that actively investigates, rather than a simple text generator. All of this is built on a foundation that combines various data sources, from market APIs like AppShare and YFinance to news engines like Tavily, creating a truly robust and comprehensive data pipeline. So, who is actually using this? The primary users are tech-savvy individual investors and small investment teams. They use it to get automated daily reports on their stock watch lists, saving them hours of manual research every single day. The interactive agent feature also allows for deep dive analysis on specific stocks using natural language questions. And for teams, the system can push unified market insights to shared channels like Discord or WeCom. What's really appealing is that the barrier to entry is surprisingly low for the target audience. The project advertises a 5-minute setup process using GitHub Actions. All a user needs to do is fork the repository and configure their API keys as GitHub secrets. Of course, despite its innovative design, the project does face some potential challenges. First, its heavy reliance on external APIs for both data and AI means it's vulnerable. Any service disruption, API change, or new pricing model from a third-party provider could break functionality or introduce unexpected costs. Second, the quality of the system's output is subject to what's known as prompt brittleness. This means that if the underlying large language models are updated, the quality of the analysis could get worse without constant fine-tuning. And finally, while the tool is powerful, its extensive configuration options, which can involve dozens of secrets, might present a steep learning curve for less experienced users. Ultimately, daily, stock, analysis isn't just another script. It's a blueprint for a complete, serverless financial analysis platform. It serves as a powerful example of how to intelligently combine modern AI tools and cloud services. The result is a powerful end-to-end application that has virtually zero operational overhead for the end user.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.